Walking in Winter Wonderland, a new short video put up by Grandma Sandy. I bought this pillow for 10 and this pillow over here for 10. So it's a $20 post that we did today. I hope you enjoy all the beautiful florals that we put together at no cost. Everything here I have had for multiple years, and I put it together to give a little bit of glam to this centerpiece. The only thing that's sort of new, but I have used it in other posts, are the 3 Christmas balls. Here, here, and over here. There's 3 of them. And everything else we've been using for some time. And then on the table, everything here I've had for quite a while, except for the little red and white striped Christmas trees are new, but I already have written them off, and the white snowball Christmas decor. Everything else